out and about in the Escort. It's a beautiful bank holiday Monday, so we're going to make the most of it. The jetting seems to be better on the carburetors for part throttle. We're at about 2000 RPM now on part throttle, and it's nice and smooth. So we're just going to take it for a nice long run now and see what happens. Maybe go for a spin around the Black Mountain Pass. Claire's with me, she's going to do the filming and maybe get some picture footage of the car going past and stuff like that. So let's see how the day goes. Okay, so far so good. We've been going for about 20 minutes. Temperatures are good. There's a loose connection, I think, on my centre console, because I want to get all the gauges died. I give it a thumb, they come back again, so we can sort that out. But temps are good, oil pressure's good, oil leak has all but disappeared, so that's good. It's a very small leak now, but I can live with that. All the gears are going through 4th to 5th, first down to 5th, and reverse, all nicely working. Clutch seems to be good. So far, so good. So here we are, the Black Mountain Pass. This is a cracking road. Unfortunately, it's been restricted to 40 mile an hour, so of course we're going to behave. Here we are, just on a little test drive anyway. But if you're ever in the South Wales area, you like driving, you need to come here. It's just north of Brynaman, the Black Mountain Pass. Top Gear used to use it, in fact. Real cool road. We're running a little hot at the moment, but we have just been stuck in traffic. And the oil pressure is good. You know, temperature's starting to come down a bit now, and the lambda reading is quite good as well. So far we're okay. Temperature's a little high, a bit concerning, but we'll have a look at that again and see what's going on there. But just enjoy the drive for a minute. So that's good. It's not pulling to the left or the right. So far, so good. Some hesitation around 3,000, so something needs to be looked at there. That might just be that the carbs are not suitable for this engine, or it might be the ignition system that we're using. So there's a few possibilities of what might be there. If we're going to go full throttle bodies and full fuel injections, and so yeah, but we'll see how we get on with this. I have no intention of thrashing this car around. This is very much something to enjoy, not to belt around it like a lunatic. Okay, there's a lay-by coming up in a minute on the left. We'll pull in there and have a little chat. Right, here we are at the top of the Black Mountain Pass. The car is performing quite nicely so far. Running a little bit warm, so we need to look at see why that is. Maybe just need a bigger fan on the radiator. The fan is working, you probably hear it running now, so we can ideally leave it cool down just a little bit here. We have just been climbing elevation quite slowly through a lot of traffic as well, so that's probably a lot to do with it. But she's behaving herself mostly. You'll see there's no oil piddling out there anymore, so that's promising. The back axle seems to be okay. It's a very, very slight whine when in fifth, and running along, just sort of cruising along, but I can live with that. That's nothing too serious, but she's looking good. Happy days. Pass, watch out for the sheep. You are a bit stupid. That's it, the Black Mountain Pass. Well worth the trip up here. If you've driven this road yourselves, let me know what you think. And if you do come up for a visit, on my advice, let me know what you think of it, because this is a beautiful part of the world, I must say. This road eventually takes you out in the trap. There's all sorts along here that you can see. Red kites, eventually there's a castle down here. There's loads of stuff around here to come up with you. So a little update, we've been driving for 11:06, it's now just 12:30, so that's well over an hour. We're still running okay, still got a couple of little hesitations, so about 3,000 RPM, which is a calibration issue I think. Temps are good, oil pressure is good, nothing's fallen off yet, so that's always a good thing. We're currently heading towards Brecon, we now have a caravan in the way, but still it's nice to be able to enjoy the beautiful scenery. So around you see, this is the road from Dovery towards Brecon, and it's just a beautiful road. I'm well pleased with those. We're tootling along now in 5th gear at about 40 mile an hour and under gentle acceleration. It's nice and smooth and pleasant, so for a general jolly about in the car, in the countryside, this is absolutely perfect. I think I'm definitely going to get it checked out to see what's going on with the extra revs. Perhaps get it on a rolling road and get, there's a chap not too far from here called Mosley, who's got a rolling road in Llangadog. Hopefully he's still going, and see if he can get it on the rollers and see what's happening. Watching, you've dialed that into your modern EFI cars. This is what's supposed to be happening on carburetors, not so much on new cars. Once you get past the hesitation at 3,000 RPM, she definitely goes. She definitely pulls well. So it's just a little bit of dialing in there somewhere along the line. She's a bit beyond, I think, my capabilities. I need somebody who knows what they're doing to get on with that. And we've used quarter of a tank of fuel, so she's thirsty. So another reason to take it to the rolling road and get it dialed in properly. The axle is warmed up. You might be able to hear there's a bit of a whine as we're cruising, but nothing too excessive. I can live with that. Distance there, you can see Pennevan, highest point in Wales. Also worth a visit. Makes a nice day out to climb Pennevan. It's not too strenuous either. Right, okay, we've stopped for a location break because we are now by the Cray Reservoir, which is really, again, another beautiful part of this area and well worth a visit. She's still performing well. Motorbike enjoying his day out. Very popular road for the motorbikes because it is such a great long sweeping road. It's fantastic. So far so good. That's our drive out been concluded. On our way back home now. Quite with how it's performed, especially it's been a good long run now. It's a good 2-hour run now. It's been on. Nothing majorly worrisome, so that's good for a good first long drive. It's still dripping oil, but not nearly as bad as it was, so I live with that. I will call that rust prevention. The rest of it's working okay. The carb is definitely dialing in. The steering wheel is pointing in the wrong direction, but that's easy enough to fix. But yeah, no major worries. Very happy with it. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully we can get started on the Manta.
Hi, man. How you doing, mate? Now, oh, you don't know. I'm just going on now. Yeah. I've done what I can for the patient. I can call you out today.
I've not been working.
You've not been doing that?
No.